Hi everybody, my name is Paula, Empty Nester at 40. Today I want to share a mixed haul. The items are from Dollar Tree, Michaels, and the Target Dollar Spot. So let's go ahead and get started. From the Dollar Tree, I picked up these decorative 3-pack of large balls. I got them in white, in the neutral tan, as well as the darker brown. The next item that I picked up, I have not seen anyone else haul this item yet. I found these wall shelves that are plastic, and I just think that they're the coolest little thing. They come in 2 colors. They come in black as well as white. So I went ahead and, there you go, white. I went ahead and picked up 2 of each color, and if you don't have a lot of space on your wall, but you're looking to hang maybe DIYs that you make or little knickknacks, I think these are great. Now they are made out of plastic, and they also don't have a back to them. So as you can see here, the wall will actually be the back of the little shelf. All right. The next item that I picked up, again, I've never seen at Dollar Tree, but it is this, it's a blue and gold picture frame that has a stand. Now it is made out of plastic, but it is very cute, and it has the little clip that holds the picture. I'm going to get it a little closer so that you can kind of see the detail of the gold. So again, cute item. I also picked up one of these picture frames with the jute twine and the little clothes hangers. I know that many of you have hauled them. This is the very first time that I'm picking one up. It's a smaller size because I know that they have a bigger size one as well. I really like this design too, so I may keep it just as it is and use it as a decorative piece just as it is. All right. I also picked up these mini or small letter stickers. And staying on the sticker theme, I've been very much into stickers lately. Dollar Tree has some wonderful pop-up stickers. I actually used one in a recent DIY that if you're interested, I will link the video. And I just love the sayings that the stickers have on them. So this is the first one, which I've used one of already. Then this one, and you have this one, and some of them obviously, like this one, may fit more into like Valentine's Day. It doesn't have to, but you know, if you're doing a DIY, it may fit more there than it would you know, this time of year if you're doing a DIY. And the final one that's a pop-up that has sayings on them is this one here in like a bluish greenish color palette. And the next 3 sticker packs that I bought, again, not what I would usually purchase to decorate. I don't, and I've never had boho decor in my house, but these stickers were just, they're also pop-up stickers, but I just thought that they were so well done, and the colors are so vibrant and they pop. So I'm definitely gonna try to do a boho, a few boho decors with these. I have that one. This one is cakes. I love coffee, teas, and tea time. I mean, the colors are just, I just love the colors. I mean, how cute are these little utensils here? And then the last one is love, hope, and dream, and there are just a lot of hearts. Okay. The last 2 items that I picked up from Dollar Tree are these canvas arts. I just, again, not necessarily what I would have ever picked up for my home decor, but these are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at this. How adorable is this? This can definitely go with a rustic farmhouse decor with just that pop of color into it. And then the second one that I picked up was this one. Okay, so now moving on to the Target Dollar Spot. It's actually only 2 items, but I did want to share them because I thought that they were cute little items, and for $1, you know, they're really cute. The first one is this little ceramic jug. Again, it's ceramic. I thought maybe, you know, I could put something like lemonade or iced tea, 25 cents, something like that. I can put this on my 3-tiered tray that I made from Dollar Tree Products. Or I could hot glue a magnet and you put it on a magnet board. So really cute. And then the next thing is actually also a magnet. It already comes with the magnet. Is a little magnetic succulent holder. Again, these 2 items from the Target Dollar Spot were only $1. So I picked up 2 of each. All right, and my final items were from Michaels. One of them is regular price, but I had never seen it there. I thought it was cute. It's a wooden cross, and I'm excited to actually do something with it so that I can decorate it and put it in my home decor. And it actually has, if I wanted to hang it, it has a little spot to hang it. This was only 99 cents. The next 2 items were on clearance. And again, I just thought that they were very cute. I got them in the jewelry section. They can be different accent pieces for different DIYs that you're doing. I have a little wooden crate that I bought at the Target Dollar Spot for $5. And the crate has 6 little compartments. And I like to put little items in each compartment to for every season or for every holiday. So the first thing that I purchased was this little bird cage. It was $1.77. Again, just so cute and will definitely fit in that little compartment, and I look forward to decorating it. And then the next one is you get 10 little keys for $1.77. Again, things that you can use for accent pieces to decorate different DIYs that you do throughout the year. And the final item that I purchased were these tin circular stands. They have a little stand. They have a little hanger if you want to hang them. And I bought 6 of them for $5. My Michaels has a section where it's kind of like their clearance or as is section. I guess maybe there was something wrong or the package was opened, and these were originally $15 for 6 of them, and I got them for $5 for 6, which makes them less than $1. I can definitely do something with this, and that's 6 DIYs that I will make out of these, and they will definitely fit that rustic farmhouse decor that I love. So, all right, that's it for my haul. I want to thank everybody who has subscribed to my channel. I am new to YouTube. I appreciate everybody that has subscribed, everybody that has liked one of my videos, and all the comments that I am getting. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified by YouTube whenever I upload anything. All right, thank you guys. Bye.